We found sand in the shade. It's been kind of a rough ride out to a challenging ride, I should say. Interesting. But we don't have to go back that way. We can go back a different way. Oh, here we go. Gonna take a bath? Yep. Whose bed are you gonna sleep in? Whose camper are you gonna get in? How are you gonna get back to camp? It's a long walk, Amiga. It's a very long walk. I don't think I'm going to have have a yellow lab anymore. You know that fox red? I think I got a fox red, huh? At least half of one. And there we're going to coat the other half. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've gotten a... Okay. At least a lot of it comes off when she shakes. You look like a raccoon in the face. Yes, you do. Yeah. Now what you gonna do? Not eating sand, are you? Fox red raccoon. That's might be their new name. I hear something coming. Oh, Amiga, here. What you think, Amiga? Okay. What am I going to do with you now? Okay. Amiga, stay out of the road. Okay.